Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you how you can change your wallpaper in your iMac MacBook Pro in OS Ventura. Let's see. You have to go to Apple logo here, go to system setting. In system setting you will see many options. You have to go to this one. It says wallpaper. So this is the one way. Another way, you click right button of your mouse. Here you see change wallpaper. You can go directly. So two way you can change wallpaper in your Ventura. Here I have different wallpaper. I select this one. You see how beautiful it's looking. Purple color I have as well. So I put purple. Beautiful, more new design if I want. Many type of wallpaper, many color of wallpaper. This one you see how beautiful they are. So I like this one here. I put this one, beautiful wallpaper. Leave this one as this. So this is the way you can change wallpaper of your MacBook Pro in Ventura OS. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.